Come with us on our scavenger hunt. Welcome back to the Adventure Brothers Show. I'm Cobra.
And I'm Frog.
Today we are doing Signs of Spring, a nature scavenger hunt. 1. Something green. 2. A bird nest. 3. A spider web. 4. A caterpillar or other larva. 5. A budding plant. 6. Animal tracks or scat. 7. A bird. 8. Worms. 9. Puddles. 10. Insects.
How many do you think we can get? Let's go on a spring scavenger hunt.
Look, we found a puddle.
I'm gonna check it out. One down, 9 to go.
Yep.
The reason why there's more puddles in the spring is because of the snow that's melted.
What's next? What's on there? Tiny piece of budding, maybe?
Oh, there's something green. I'm gonna check it off. Grass is starting to poke up. 2 down, 8 to go.
One of them's a bird nest. The other one's worms.
This looks
Let me see.
like there'd be worms over here now.
Larva or hey, look, nest.
I'm checking it off.
That could be a bird nest or a squirrel nest. Either way, it's a sign of life.
3 down, 7 to go.
One of them was a caterpillar. We might want to look over here.
Rocks. We could look under rocks.
Maybe for worms, caterpillars. Maybe.
Come on, let's go, Cobra.
Hey, look. Maybe it's under this board here.
Anything? Oh, that looks like lava. That little white thing?
Larva.
Yep.
This is some kind of insect larva. It's hard to know because many larvae look like
Look
this.
what I found. It's a slug. That's not on our list. It's a mollusk, not an insect. Sometimes you find extra treasures on scavenger hunts. Look, something's budding. Oh yeah. I'm gonna check it off.
Hey, Frog, come here. I'm gonna check under this rock.
Ants!
Ants! These ants are moving their eggs, called a brood. That counts for our larva.
And our insects.
Six down, 4 to go. Do you hear that woodpecker?
Let's go look to see if we can find him.
Let's go to see if we can find any woodpecker sign. Scat!
I'm gonna check it off. That's 7 down and 3 to go. And by the way, this looks like deer scat. Plus, we have a lot of deer in these woods.
Careful, Frog, there's lots of scat.
There it is.
Take a look at the holes in these trees. Wait, look. There's woodpecker holes. So many woodpecker holes, but not any woodpeckers. Hey, look at that log over there. It has a bunch of mushrooms on it. Whoa.
Whoa.
This is most likely violet-toothed polypore.
It's not on the board. Another extra 5.
Hey, look, I found more buds.
Double check for that.
Look, there's another bird's nest. I see 3.
I'm gonna flip it over. Worms! That's on our list. 8 down, 2 to go.
Remember, seeing worms is a sign of spring because they can burrow below the frost line and they come back up when the weather is warmer. So, in the spring, you see more worms on the surface.
I'm dropping them back in.
Bye-bye,
Bye,
wormy. What's that white stuff? Wow, that's a lot of sap. We did confirm that this is tree sap, likely from tree injury, such as frost.
Roly-poly, also known as pill bugs. They roll up in self-defense. Like a pill, let me show you. Follow me.
Even though it's far away, we've identified this bird as a cardinal. It's not really a sign of spring because they do not migrate for the winter. I wonder if we'll see another robin or something that could be a sign of spring.
I'm checking them off. We've been hearing him for a long time. We never did see the woodpeckers though. Only one more left.
A spider web.
It's another bird nest.
Look, there's another nest.
It's got 5 checks on it. 5 nests.
There's spider webs in here. I think there are.
Wait, what's that?
kinda
Is that a
cool
spider
rock.
web?
Nope.
Ah. Oh,
And these logs.
hey look, more fungus.
Hey, this is a different kind of fungus. This is called tiger tail.
Let's keep hunting for a spider web. Hey look, right there, spider web. I'm checking it off. 10 done, 0 to go.
Robin, do you see it? It's probably looking for worms. Wow. Frog is getting close. We found all of them! Do you want to do a spring scavenger hunt? Make sure you go to our Facebook page, The Adventure Brothers Show, and our producer will post it.
Joke time! What did the bee say to the flower?
I don't know.
Hi, honey. Get it?
Thanks so much for joining us.
Subscribe to the Adventure Brothers Show.
Signs of spring, a nature scavenger hunt. Signs of spring, signs of spring. It's a nature scavenger hunt.